Hi, I won't show you what you will need if you want to start with RC flying. If you want to start with RC flying, of course you will need an airplane. I recommend Easy Star 2, but you can use Easy Star 1, Graupner Rookie, or similar Chinese copy, Floater Jet, Bixler, etc. But Easy Star 2 is number one in training airplanes for beginners. Really, this is just original, and all other planes are copy of Easy Star 1 or Easy Star 2. This Easy Star is kit without motor and without servos and all other electronics. So we will need components for completing of this airplane. I will combine this airplane from Europe, Easy Star 2, with components from China, from Hobbyking, for example. And I show you this component, and you can see on screen a link on this component. So, Easy Star 2, really perfect training airplanes for beginners, I recommend. But we will need for this airplane, I will start, for example, with motor. Where is motor? Where is motor? Ah, here. Motor. All my components is not dogma. You can use, of course, other similar components, yes, but all components what I show you you can use without worry about compatibility or functionality. This is motor 2210, 180 watts. You can see a link on the screen. This is nice motor for Easy Star for beginners. What next? You will need ESC speed regulator. I recommend Mystery 30 amperes or Blue Series 30 amperes. Perfect and cheap speed regulator. Of course, for this category of airplanes. Yes. Next, what you will need? Servos. Servos. You can use classic HXT 900s. This servo is standard for cheap phone models. You can use all these servos, or you can use this white, in previous version orange servos. Exact type you can see on a link on screen. Or you can use more expensive servo, for example this HD. On this concrete airplane, on this one, I will use HXT 904 Ruder. These two white servos for ailerons, and more expensive servo for elevator. But you can use any combination of servos or other servos. Just you will need 4 servos, 9 grams servos. So, what next? Just buy money servo extensions, servo lead extensions. Of course, you don't need all these servo extensions for this one airplane, but you know, you can continuously make some own storage for RC modeling. you will need glues. This is cheap second glue, contact glue, acrylate glue. This is cheap. It's not any special quality. This is not any special quality, but for my parrot, kill him. But if you will use this glue on some big surfaces, it will be okay. If you need glue something with high quality glue, you can use this Instaflex. This is medium Instaflex, and this thin Instaflex. This is like water, yes. This is medium Instaflex. This is really perfect glues. What next? Just buy these gold connectors. You can use it between motor and ESC, and buy some hot shrink tube. I not have hot shrink here, but just hot shrink you can buy it on all shops with electronics. What next? XT60 connectors. Buy it. You can use it in future on ESC, on batteries, etc. Again, perfect thing in your own local storage for RC modeling. This, I don't know how I can see this in a English language. This is just a small component on servo arm, or I don't know, aileron arm for wire from servo. Just buy it and use it. This is perfect thing. Probably you will need this for Easy Star, but really perfect thing for next projects in future. This is really nice thing. This is checker or controller checker for LiPo batteries. It can check voltage, each cell, all cells together, and you can set warning. Perfect thing for checking on field if your battery is okay or if your battery empty. Buy this USB interface for training on PC simulator. Perfect thing. If you will training on a PC simulator, your real flying will be much easier. Your training, I think 20 minutes per day is perfect. This is what now? Batteries. I recommend 2 batteries. This or similar capacity. For Easy Star you can use from 1.3 to 1.8 amp hours. Maybe this, maybe similar, nothing critical. Often RC modelers often use for Easy Star batteries 2200 milliamps, 2.2. I think it's too heavy batteries for Easy Star. It flies, but it's too heavy. So, radio. You can use Turnigy T9X. You can use Turnigy T9X with original firmware. It could work for basic flying, but if you will flash this radio with new firmware, it means with internal software in radio, with ER9X or especially OpenN9X, this radio will be much better. Really You can look on my videos or my articles on my web. Many videos about flashing this radio are here. For this radio you will need a battery. In this radio is transmitter module and receiver inside. Not any special quality, but for easy start it's okay. Battery, special transmitter battery for radio. Or you can use different radio. You can use Turnigy 9XR. This is next generation of this radio. It's really nice radio, but with some questions inside. Yes, but you can use it. And what is nice thing, how I say about flashing of this radio, about new firmware. In this radio is the new firmware inside now, without any flashing, without any opening of radio, etc. It's not perfect radio, it has some problems, but for easy start with firmware inside it will be perfect. But this is radio without transmitter module and receiver, so you must buy transmitter module and receiver. I prefer First Sky. Yes, First Sky is, I think, the best. Much better than TSM2, etc. So battery is same for 9XR or T9X. What next? For T9X you can buy display backlight. For T9X in 9XR is display backlighting directly from manufacturer. Yes, so you need this for all the radio T9X. You can buy how I can say it in English language, radio holder on your neck. Yes, neck holder. You do understand me. But you will need these special components for right position of radio on your neck. I will make a movie how you can mount it on T9X. So, about glues, I forgot one thing. This is second glue activator. Yes, I like this activator very much because you can, if it is empty, you can make it full again without any problems. It is with some perfumes. And what I like, it's not very quick activator. Yes, it is slower activator, it I can say it. If you can glue all without activator, sometime you must use it activator, but if you can glue it without activator, glue it without activator, it will be much strong. For radio you can buy this case, this or similar, black or I don't know, yellow. Red color is maybe a little bit crazy, yes, but if you will find your radio on airfield 2 kilometers per 1 kilometer, you will be okay for red colors in green grass. And now charger. You will need charger for your batteries. really recommend this AccuCell 6. This is 50 watts charger, absolute perfect number one for beginners. I recommend it. I buy tens and tens these chargers. I will make some short movie only about charging of LiPo batteries with this charger. Really perfect and cheap. But most important for me is functionality of this charger, not price. Price is nice, but this is not only cheap, but really perfect batteries. For this charger you can use this wire for charging by car connector for lighter inside the cars, or you must use a power supply. You can use this power supply. I use it without any problems. This is with output 15 volts and 7 amps. For this AccuCell, absolutely perfect. But this is China power supply. But this is the same with all charging of LiPo batteries. Never charge without your without you near the charger. Yes, because it could be very dangerous. So if you charge batteries, be beside. It's not problem because your LiPo battery will be charged probably in 30 or 40 or 50 minutes, maximum in 1 hour. So it's no problem. If you have different type of cable, maybe you can need different cable, because from Hobbyking you buy this power supply without this cable. I must buy this cable because in Czech Republic we use different type of connector. So some cutting mat, this or alpha, some rulers, knives. I think this is clear. So this is for basic intro in RC modeling. How you can see, for RC modeling you don't need only airplane and radio. You need much next things. Of course, I show you many things what you don't need, but if you want flying in future too, I recommend you buy these things, because in future you will buy very much next components and things. So okay, thank you for watching my video. Sorry for my English, it's not easy for me, and we'll see soon with movies about charger and about radios and about next things. Have a nice day.